This is Nyla, and today I'm at the Peppa Pig theme park in Dallas, Texas.
How you doing? Any bags? Oh, very good. Thank you. There.
Yeah, wasn't letting her leave. That's why.
Alright. Where do you want to start?
Wow! Look how cool it is! It must be so fun! And this will be our first ride, the Daddy Pig roller coaster. Fun fact about me, I love roller coasters because they are so fun.
Welcome back, riders. I hope you did enjoy your ride. Have your hands up, ready for the black lappers to come up. Exit out towards my entrance. Have a wonderful rest of your day here at Peppa Pig Theme Park.
The roller coaster ride was so much fun, guys. This is a long line, but here we are on our next ride, the Granddad Dog Pirate Island boat ride.
All right, is it y'all three?
Yeah.
Okay. I only can do one adult per boat if y'all want to separate it.
Separate.
Yes, and sit facing the wheel.
Alright.
It's just them two.
Alright, riders, just a few reminders to stay seated in your boat at all times and keep all loose articles with you. Thank you and have fun.
Oh, look guys, the muddy puddle splash pad. Aw, it's closed today. On to the next ride. This is the long line for Grampy Rabbit Dinosaur Adventure Ride. Look, I'm so tall now. I could ride by myself. Can you guess the next ride?
And I can see my house on the hill. It looks so small from up here. So much to see for George and me. For my big bang.
Yep, you're right. This is the Peppa Pig's balloon ride.
Board, please stay seated at all times.
Right. Chops away. Hold tight, everyone. Here we go.
Please hold on tight and do not lean out of your basket. Have fun, everyone.
Whoa, everything looks so small up here. Hi! This is me above in the sky. Can you see me? Please say hi if you could see me. Everybody, hi! Wow, that was actually really quick but really fun. Next up, we're going to the fun fair attraction. Not trying to brag, but look how good I am, guys. Peppa's pedal bike tour for the next ride. Personally, I rate this ride a 1 out of 10. Now let's go. Grandpa Pig's greenhouse for the next attraction.
It slows down, so you'll be good.
Whee! That was so much fun!
Everything likes to grow tomatoes in the greenhouse.
On to the next attraction, the Peppa Pig treehouse. This playground is so nice because everything just feels endless.
Rebecca Rabbit has a special playground.
Well, here I am, Mr. Fox's shop, because I'm here for my shopping adventure. Wow, everything looks so cute in here. Might as well I just go ask Mr. Fox if I could just buy his whole store.
Come on, let's go pick. That's really cute. I might get this. What's his name?
For this whole experience, I rate this theme park a 10 out of 10. Must try, and tell me how the Muddy Puddles experience go. The park is small and super crowded, so please bring a lot of snacks because every ride has a long line and not much restaurants or hotels close by, but you can definitely be done in one day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Watch Nyla Grow for more videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.